Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So this is my only one episode of my vlogs. Well, the good news today is it is my birthday, December 7, 2014. I live in the Philippines. Um, I know the Diamond Minecart, and it is Manila 2nd Street. Again, 2nd Street. But my classes are gonna pass through here. So I barely know what Minecraft. Like wait, Taki Online, Supercars Multiplayer, Combat 3. In Combat 3, my name is Armat207. If you want to visit, if you want to see me, that is my birthday, or everyone didn't watch the videos yet, because I already uploaded 3 videos today. So, one is Redstone Handbook. Second is a part 2 of Tanky Online. But do not put Tanky Online part 2. It's like a review, part 2 of review, but it is seriously an update. I'm showing you, already told you the update, so thank. Sorry about that. So, here are my toys. I made my own this one. This one, sorry. And here's my fan. But I put a face on it. A pirate. So, thank you guys for watching and goodbye.